Hi guys, I'm Ovi and this is my kitchen. I've got mac and cheese recipe to share with you today, so if you want to know how to cook this, please stick around. A very warm welcome to you guys again. This is a new video. Today I'm making macaroni and cheese. Guys, so here I'm just trying to break up my cheese, my cheddar slices, and for the mozzarella I already had frozen, and I'm grating it up, okay? This is like the first step. You have to grate your cheese before you even start anything. Okay, it's okay now. And we're going to save some of this for the topping. That's what I'm just trying to do, to divide it roughly. Okay, you get the proportions at the end, so don't be feeling bad about that. Here I have my Cavatappi pasta, which is basically a cork and screw type of pasta, and I broke them up in halves. I know, right? Wasabi. I'm just, I don't know, dressing them in oil or coating them in oil, flavorless oil, to prevent them from sticking because I'd already boiled that. And here I'm going to be making my roux. Guys, it is so difficult to film. It's difficult to film and make this roux at the same time. I never knew this until this day, but I'm still gonna drop this video. If I make a redo, I will drop it as well. So here I'm just adding my whole milk. I had to kind of whisk this off cam because I needed both hands. Okay, so guys, please don't attempt to do this and film yourself. Just make your stuff. Yeah. So I was using two types of milk. You can use cream, cooking cream, or half and half, but I just used, hey God, I don't always make all these funny used. I'm not even Igbo. Okay, here I'm putting in my grated cheese. Don't forget to save some for the finale. I know, right? I'm dramatic. I know. Please, I know. So this is just me waiting for my cheese to melt in my roux. It was slightly thicker than I budgeted for because of all the stress I went through trying to whip this up on fire on the stove top. I beg your pardon. And here I have my roux. Okay, and I have my pasta, which I just cooked to al dente point. I didn't overcook my pasta, and it is actually cooked already. Okay. Yep, so that's me mixing in my roux, and I put in some milk because it was kind of too thick. So here I like the texture that I got at the end of this. So that was just half cup of milk. It's already in the recipe, so you can omit that. Yeah. Get it all there in. Get it all in there. Guys, stress. I'm tired of YouTube. I'm just kidding. So this is just serene right now. I just wanted that extra moisture in it. It doesn't make it soggy. You can do that. And here I'm putting my mozzarella and my cheddar cheese toppings for that beautiful cheesy crust you have on top. And it's just, the cheese pool of this dish is just, jeez. I should show you guys. I don't think I have a video anymore. Here I'm just putting my butter because I want to broil the top of this dish, and the butter is going to help us get that nice. You're going to see. So this was baking on bottom heat for 30 minutes, and then I switched to top heat, which is my grill, to give this a broiled effect. So here you have it. You can see the crust, and it was just, this is visually appealing. I love this. So guys, that's all we have for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, the same as like it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.